wanted to do a quick video on my Loropetalum tree because it seems to be flowering very, very beautifully. This is, I just had my 20-year anniversary on this house. So this got planted as one of the first plants. And it's a bush, but I limbed it up to be a beautiful tree. It's got a big open area here. So, but anyway, look how high these flowers are and how beautiful they are. And especially right now in the sunset, this is January 1st, 2025. And these are called Chinese fringe flower or Loropetalum. And they do exceptionally well here. But just know, this is a good 15 feet at least tall. And it brings lots of happiness. It's really pretty. The only thing that I would caution on is there are little babies all over the place. Like if you look right here, here's a baby. Right here, here's another baby. Oh, that's a Texas sage right here. And then I know that there are babies like out that way. But anyway, if you want a really nice big bush that you can limb up to a tree that has beautiful flowers, this is also the one that I have in front of the boat parking area. Let me just bring you there. One pit stop before we go. This is my tea olive, and oh my goodness, if you want to smell beautiful, fragrant, delicious flowers, this is kind of a paltry, scrawny tree, but it's been here probably almost 20 years as well. So apologize, it's getting dark here, but oh my goodness, these flowers, even though it's got like, mold issues on it, I would plant it just for the scent of these delicious flowers. And here is the Loropetalum near the boat driveway. This one doesn't really have that many flowers on it yet. Oh, there are a few, but it does have the cool orange color. And usually these are a little bit more aubergine or purple, but this is Loropetalum. And this one has been here 5 years and it is now about 6 feet tall. And there's a whole line of these. It doesn't really have the purple color as much. You can see on some of the new leaves. But this is the sunshine ligustrum that is just really taken over, and it's got to get knocked back a little bit. I want to trim it down. But you can see here's the Loropetalum. And that's it. And they do have standards of these so that they look like trees, and those are quite lovely as well.